I'm Ffion Davies and I'm volunteer coordinator for Amgueddfa Cymru National Museum Wales, and our event took place in St Ffagan's National Museum of History. So the methods we used to support our volunteers was actually to hold a briefing, which was really important. So we invited everyone that was interested in volunteering to come to the museum, to have a walk around, learn about the event, because actually reading something on paper sometimes doesn't translate to what you actually need people to do. We found actually the briefing was a great success, and volunteers ended up signing up for more shifts. They got more excited and they got more involved. Engaging and supporting volunteers before the event actually had a real impact on the success of the event. Volunteers, when they get the correct information, when they receive briefings, they turn up prepared, they're ready, they're in the correct clothes, shoes, they're excited, they know where to meet you. So basic things like that actually have a really important effect on the rest of the day.